American Airlines is one of those ones that it's so boring. And for people who are trying to set up an income generating solution on in their portfolios by using the option strategies that I talk about, boring is where it's at. And so I wanted to feature American Airlines this time around because, listen, they're not really in the news besides the fact that they have way too much business and not enough people they're hiring pilots, they're hiring flight attendants, they're hiring people to work on the planes. They're in a huge hiring phase and they're hiring just about anybody. So if somebody's out of work, you might want to think about a career change into the airline industry. But besides that, they're really not in the news. And they're just kind of going side. Investors don't know whether they're bullish or bearish. There is a little bit of chop periodically. We're coming off of a bottom here. And I like to look at what I call my fast MACD indicator. And so I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit. I'm going to look at 6 months here. And I'm getting a signal that perhaps we have found it. And so if you've already purchased shares of American Airlines, or you've purchased another way to cover our premium sales, is to use back month, deep in the money, far out in time call options. So if you did that back here about 10 or 15 trading days ago, this is probably the opportunity that you're looking for you to go ahead and sell some premium, probably at this $15 strike price. So sell some call premium. If you can make some money, in fact, let's take a look to see if we can money just on this May 19th. May 19th looks a little sparse. You're only going to walk away with about 5 cents. That might not even cover your commissions. So let's go out instead to June 16th expiration, or if you're into the weeklies, you can look at the weeklies. For June 16th, you can walk away with about 35 cents per option share. I mean, that's pretty nice on a $14 stock. So let's sell some $15 premium, and then let's buy some protection. Maybe we'll buy some protection down at the $12. So when we buy protection, we go out about 3 to 6 months. So I'm thinking September, maybe even November, but I kind of like the September. I'm going to buy this $12 put with only 62 cents per option share. And I know that as American Airlines dips down, this is actually going to appreciate in value. And so even if I never use the protective option as an insurance policy, when I get done with its usage and American Airlines then starts to go back up again, I mean, it's just like an airplane taking off and landing. When it starts to take off again, I'll sell that protective option when I don't need it anymore, and I'll probably make some money on it. So in addition to making money on selling the near-term at-the-money premium trade, I'll make some money at rolling out my insurance. So I think I'm waiting, and I'm waiting for some volume validation that this top has been found. But I think that this is exactly the good timing for doing this. And the reason why I'm waiting, SIP, is there is a possibility that Americans might go a little higher. And so if I can sell my premium and buy my protection a little higher, I will. But I'm also paying attention to that VIX that we talked about in the beginning of the show. And if I start to see the VIX spike, I'll just sell premium and buy protection right now.